Hi, so I just thought I'd do a video for my 335 and just to show it driving, show how the gears change, the engine sounds, all of that. I'm actually parked in a lay-by on a dual carriageway, so the engine's up to temperature, so it's a good chance just to give it the beans. So I'll just go for a quick drive around and show you different speeds, and yeah, try and give you some idea of what the car's like. So obviously it is an auto. It's got the paddle shift on the steering wheel. It's the ZF6 gearbox. It's a really good gearbox, especially when you think of the age of the car. And the changes, really nice. Just in drive mode, this is like the relaxed setting. Really nice, smooth, quick changes. And then any time you can just downshift. And that puts it into basically sport mode. And then after a while it'll go back to just drive, where it changes itself. And of course you've got the gearbox, you can knock that over. And then you've got the shifts on the stick if you want to do that. Most time for me, it's the paddles. Here's the M Sport as well, so that gives you the M Sport wheels, bumpers, side skirts and interior, and then underneath you've got the M Sport suspension setup. So it is more firm than an SE, so it depends whether you like that or not. Turn around and go back up this hill. The exhaust for the 335 is unique. So you've got the twin tailpipes, and you have an active flap on the near side. So the exhaust is quiet at tick over, as you don't know if you can hear on the video, but when you do put your foot down, it just sounds really nice. It's not too intrusive, but it's you can tell there's some power under the bonnet still. It's not quiet. I mean, at no point in this video have I floored it to the floor. Yeah, you don't really need to. It just goes. You've got something like 400 Newton meters from 1300 RPM. So, you know, almost from tick over, you've got maximum torque, which is great. You know, you're not having to thrash it to get going. But if you do put your foot down, yeah, it's a lot of fun. So saying it was on a boring stretch of road, I'll just talk about the car, what it's got on it. So you've got cruise control, it's got auto lights, automatic wipers, high beam assist, so at night you can flick the beam on and it'll turn on and off by itself based on when cars coming the other way. It's got the widescreen professional iDrive system with 2022 road maps, dual climate control, heated seats, front and rear parking sensors. The driver's seat has memory functions. You've got 2 presets. They're also connected to the key, so whatever key is used to open the car, the mirrors and the seat will go to the position that key was last, when that key was last used. The rear view mirror and side mirrors, they auto dim, so at night when a car's behind you they'll automatically dim so you don't get dazzled. It's got xenon headlights, so really nice white crisp light at night time. Keyless entry, unlocking, keyless start. I've got no key in at the moment, it's just in my pocket. So yeah, for 2006, I mean, this car had almost all the options ticked, which is probably why it cost the guy 41 grand when he bought it. You've also got the panoramic roof. You can just open that cover, that goes all the way back, so if there's any passengers in the back they can look through the window as well. There's an auxiliary in the armrest and a little fridge, so the whole thing keeps cold in there when the air conditioning's on. The thing I really do like is when you just sort of relax driving. Actually, I'll go this way, get stuck down this one. Yeah, when you're just driving relaxed, the car doesn't really rev above 2000. It just changes nice and early. It's not revving its head off all the time. You got to be very careful, you easily go over the speed limit in this thing. But again, that was like half throttle. No need to be thrashing it. But yeah, it drives, handles, in my opinion, as close to new as it can really, which was my aim when I bought it, to get all the suspension, brakes, just back to new, just feeling tight again. Engine wise, the big end bearings have been changed, timing chains, The intake ports have all been clean, decarboned. New CCV system. Load of other stuff. I've lost track of what I've done to it, but yeah, my goal is just to get it running as nicely as possible. Yeah, thanks for watching.